Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is going to be a border tutorial, basically. So, to first make a border, you're going to need some starting text, right? And so, for the starting text, I'm just going to put in, like, welcome to a border tutorial. Right? And then that text is going to pop out, and that looks pretty cool, but we also want to have a border around it. So we're going to go down to the style.css. You should already know how to link the style.css. If you don't know how to do that, there should be a video on doing that. But if you don't know, there's a little segment here. This is all you have to put in. And yeah. Then you should also create another file, and that should be your style.css. And don't worry about the script.js. When you start going into embedding JavaScript into HTML, you'll start using the script.js way more. So here in the style.css, I've already started off with something, h1.header, which is going down to my h1 class, and then my class for it is header, right? And so it's taking the h1 header. If I only put in h1, so if I put in like another h1, like let's say I put in like let me just do this, random h1, right? Then you'll have two h1s, but then if I only put in h1 here, the border will apply to both of them. When I only want it to apply to the welcome to a border tutorial, we're gonna have to put in the class type. And the class type for this, I put in as header. You can change the class type to whatever you want. Just make sure it's the same here and the same in your style.css. Alright, let's start making a border, right? Alright, so we're gonna have a border dash width, and that's gonna be 2 pixels. We're also gonna have to add in the border, what type of border we want, right? So we can always have you can have like a dotted border, you can have a solid border, and that's kind of your border style. And you can find more border styles in the description, as I'm linking W3 Schools, which is a great website, and they give you lots of different border styles that you want, but I'm just gonna be going over the basics, right? And over here on the REPL, you can also see all these borders you can have. So I'm gonna do the basic solid border, and we're just gonna end this off. And then now we're also gonna add in a border, and we're also going to add in the color of a border. So for my colors, I like to always go for red, because red's one of my favorite colors. Or blue. I think I'll do blue this time. Let's do blue violet. Let's make it cool. And we're going to have this border around here, right? And you can always change up these things, right? Every time, just make sure you're not messing with like the pixels or anything. You can always change up whatever you want. And yeah, so writing this all out might seem like a lot of work, right? If you're doing it for multiple things, like if I want to make a border for this random h1 too, right? I'm going to have to write this all out, but no, you don't have to do that. What you can do is you just type in border, right? And then you can put in the border color, right? Like I'm going to do red this time. We're going to put in dotted, and then we're also going to put in let's do 10 pixels, right? We're just going to end it off there, and we're going to have a red dotted 10 pixel border. And you can change up everything here, and this is like a way easier way of doing it, and it's also less time consuming, and you can also save space. So I guess this is all for the border tutorial. My next video is going to be an A tag tutorial. Please be sure to check that out, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.